So pretty much on this card, it's pretty much us introducing us, BioClean, just letting the people that you guys refer that we're cleaning your carpets, wood, tile, and grout, or whatever that we request, and then you guys just write your name right here. And when they call us, they'll you guys called us. It'll have your name and the date on there, so they'll know exactly when it goes back to our office who's issuing the card.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much.
And what do they get, Jordan?
And what you get in return, you're probably wondering why would I want to hand out a card to anyone? Which the reward for you guys is, so if I do gain that customer and they call us, the good thing is you guys get 10% of our commission, and we'll hand that over to you tax free,
or they can put it on their next job because they're
you can put it
so
on
in there. A real. Okay.
I mean that's Roger's decision. He's the one that called it to us. So.
Is this your code, George, or is this Roger's?
That's Roger's. So.
Yes, I'm getting ready to put that on. Thank you so much. So how many are you going to give them to get them started?
Well, to get you guys started, I'll start off with 5. Okay.
Yep.
And then you guys can just hand that out to your 5.
Just make sure you put your name on, even if you don't put the date, so we can, next time you want to get whatever clean, you'll either get that commission, but Janae will call you and ask you, do you want us to send you a check? Either one. Okay.
Right.
Awesome. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Shanley. And Jordan, not bad. All right.
Thank you, guys.
All right.